back in the kitchen. First of all, thanks for the support on the previous video, the Wagamama chicken ramen. If you haven't seen it, there will be a link in the description, a little card above. Click that, go watch that. Hit that like button on that, and I can watch it later. But stick with me on this one. Today, we're doing something different. It's not Wagamama. We picked this up today, Street Kitchen. And it's going to be Korean bulgogi beef. Never done one before, but we're going to find out how it tastes. This meal as well, it wasn't under £5 like the Wagamama one, because beef is a little more expensive. I added a couple of extra ingredients that you didn't need, but I thought will make the dish taste a whole lot better, so we've gone for that. I'll show you some of the ingredients in a sec. I've prepared them all, they're all ready to go. We're always starting off with step one. So let's get cooking. Okay, so the Street Kitchen kit itself, it contains a Korean bulgogi sauce, the ginger and garlic paste which is on the beef, and the sesame seeds. It asks you to buy 400 grams of beef strips in there, marinate the ginger and garlic paste on the beef. There we go, that's done. Red and green bell peppers, look at them, beautiful. And it said a brown onion, but I went for a spring onion and some bird's eye chilies, one of each, and I left the seeds in because I like a bit of spice. So I've added a little something extra to the dish. In addition to what I've just mentioned that we need, you also need 2 cups of jasmine rice. So simple steps. First off, fry off the beef in the wok. So let's get some oil in there and start frying that. Okay, so hands have just been washed. Pan is heating up, just a little bit of oil in there. Let that come to temperature, and we're going to add in the beautiful beef. It's been marinating now for a good 45 minutes to an hour. It's smelling very strong. The garlic is pungent in this one. I'm sure it's going to taste great though. So the pan, let's let that heat up. And enjoy the sizzle. Oh yeah, she's hot. Get all of that paste out of there. Okay, let's fry this off. Stick it, they're quite long beef strips. I actually bought steaks and stripped them myself. Fantastic. Okay, so now we will add all of this sliced veg, is what it says on the packet. Just chuck it all in together, and that's where it all starts to look great. You get the colour. That's the peppers, the chilies, and the spring onion. Now it's just smelling like something different. I like it. Colours are in there popping now. So I imagine just fry those off for a little bit longer. A further minute, so just to soften them, that's what we want. I can show you just inside the pan a bit better. Delicious. Love the colours. And them chilies, oh my god, they smell great. Hopefully I didn't go a bit over the top with the chilies and it's not going to burn my mouth off, but I do like spice. Such a simple dish as well, really easy. So I'll let you know how it tastes. I never actually got back to you because you didn't see me eat the chicken ramen, the Wagamama one. but it was amazing. It tasted fantastic. I highly recommend getting one of those kits and trying that out. Like I said before, if you haven't watched the video, the link is down below in the description. Go check that out. Get yourself a kit. I got mine from Morrison's. It was £2. Bargain. The whole meal itself, under £5. This one, I'd say around £6. Still, cheap, easy meal. This serves, I think, 2 people again? Or no, this one for 4. This serves 3 to 4 people. I'm just greedy, I'm going to eat it all to myself. So now we add the bulgogi beef sauce. That's a dark, rich sauce. It smells absolutely beautiful. So nice. Get all that goodness out of there. Oh boy! See, these meal kits are a great idea. You can have great tasting quality food at home. And you don't have to be like a master chef to be able to eat it either. It's just so simple. Right, stir all that in. There is going to be some more cooking coming up on my channel very soon. I'm going down the Jamaican path. I'm going to do a saltfish and ackee stew, so look out for that one. I've also just signed up to a little well-known company called HelloFresh. You may have heard of it. If not, go check them out. Your first order, really good deal. So I've got I got a bunch of meals coming up there. I'm gonna cook them for you guys. I'm not going to tell you what they are just yet. You'll wait for the videos to come out, and you'll see. There's some good food coming up. I enjoy these cooking things, and you guys seem to enjoy them too. So we're going to do more. I like cooking, I like eating. It's a win-win. So that has all come together beautifully. That is pretty much the meal complete. What you do now is you'll get your rice, and this will just sit on top of your rice. Sprinkle your sesame seeds on. I've also brought a little something extra to go on top. Just some pea shoots, and what else was in there? I'm going to have to get the package out, but I got some pea shoots and some other stuff to go on top. Just a little extra garnish. Also tastes great. So we'll cut back. This needs to simmer for like 5-10 minutes. We'll cut back when we are about 2 plates up. So we discovered what the other added extras I bought. They were pea shoots, purple radish, and garlic chives. So we're going to add them on top. I mean the purple radish and stuff, it just looks fantastic. That's just going to garnish on the top. Pea shoots, I love it. It's going to taste great. So they're going to go just on top of this, on top of the rice as well. This has been simmering now for about 6 minutes. So it's pretty much near where it needs to be. So guys, we're going to cut back to you once I am plating up. And this is going to go on top of some beautiful jasmine rice. So there we have the bowl of jasmine rice. We're going to add some of our beef. I think you may agree that that looks fantastic. As that, we will add some of our sesame seeds. another beautiful dish in 3 easy, simple steps as well. So I'm just going to add some of this just because I like it. I mean, it's going to look good too, but and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is a street kitchen meal kit Korean bulgogi beef. It looks fantastic. It smells great. I'm sure it's going to taste just as good as it looks.